This eggless vanilla sponge cake is extremely moist and serves well at a high tea. It's also a great base for any eggless dessert like tiramisu and trifles. Hey everyone, this is Darshi and welcome back to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be making an eggless vanilla sponge cake. This recipe is very important because this can be used as the base ingredient in many eggless desserts. Do check out my tiramisu video. It's an eggless tiramisu and I've used vanilla sponge cake, and this is the recipe for the vanilla sponge cake. So let's start by making buttermilk. I have 1 cup of warm milk and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Combine it and give it a quick stir. Set it aside for about 5 minutes. So here I have half a cup of butter at room temperature. I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of sugar. I'm going to beat this till it's very light and fluffy. So the buttermilk has turned lumpy. This is exactly how I want it. Now I'm going to alternately put the buttermilk and the flour in the butter mix. Here I have 2 cups of self-raising flour. So my eggless vanilla sponge cake batter is now ready. I have a 10-inch cake tin here. I've greased it with butter and dusted it with flour. I'm just going to pour the batter in the cake tin. Now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. It's now been about 35 minutes. I've removed the cake from the oven. Now the best way to check whether the cake has been baked well or not is to insert a toothpick right in the middle. If it comes out clean, that means the cake is baked. I'm going to now remove it on a wire rack. I'm going to allow this to cool now completely before I can cut it. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.